Good morning. Time to start a new day. It's cold this morning. The temperature's definitely dropped and I always start the day with tea. Look, spider. So it's just before 6 a.m. The babies normally wake up anytime between 5:30 and 6:30. So hopefully they'll sleep in for a little bit longer. They go into daycare today. They only go twice a week, so they really enjoy it now. At the beginning they didn't like it. It took a while for them to settle in, but it's really nice that they're enjoying it now. So I'm just going to start prepping for them to go to daycare. I already did some prep last night, which I always do, but this morning I'll get their bottles ready and I'll make them breakfast. Hopefully I'll have time to do all that before they wake up.
6 a.m. That's a sleep in these days. Remember they used to get up 4:30, 5 a.m.
Oh my god, it was absolutely brutal. So yeah, it's nice that they're currently sleeping past 5:30. I'm like, this is a big win. 2 sleeping babies. So I need to update this because apparently Cubo have just updated it to have split screen so you can have the baby side by side. Okay, so I've just done their bottles for the day. So at daycare, they like just the cooled boiled water in the bottles. So I do that and I always give them one fresh one ready to go in case they need it, and they just store that in the fridge. And then I always do a spare bottle as well, just in case. I really enjoy waking up earlier than the babies in the morning. It's just my quiet time. The rest of the day is just like fully chaotic normally, and it's the only time I can actually enjoy a cup of tea in peace. Okay, breakfast time. Time to make breakfast for the babies. They've actually been like really fussy lately. They used to be pretty good eaters, and Ivy still is a really good eater. I have some leftover smoothie from mine yesterday, so he can have that this morning, or they both can have some of that. And then I normally do them some toast with some fruit and other bits and pieces. We've also got some zucchini slice still in the fridge, so I'll cut them up a little bit of that. I've been doing a lot of toast and avocado lately because the avocados have been really nice. They also like Vegemite, such Australian babies. Avocado on toast is a very Australian thing, I think. I'm not sure if other parts of the world eat avo on toast. So I'm just going to cut this up like into little strips for them, and then just before they eat it, I'll heat it up for like 10-20 seconds in the microwave. Full of egg, veggies and goodness. My husband and I were talking the other day about how it's so funny that when, you know, we'll put this stuff in their bowl for them and they won't eat it, and then as soon as we have it as well, they want all of it. They're such funny little things. Berries, lots and lots of berries. Ivy is usually a berry fiend. She like goes hard on the berries. Remy has sort of stopped eating as many. I don't know what his deal is at the moment. Got to squash the blueberries as well because they're a choking hazard. How are you feeling about being awake at this time? You're not normally awake this early. Due for your morning coffee?
Yes.
My husband normally like works later at night. I wake up early and do the mornings. In this one is banana, acai, some coconut yogurt, some oats, oat milk, a little bit of cinnamon, blueberries, blackberries. It's just full of goodness. And Remy started off just having like a little taste. Now his smoothie sizes are just getting bigger and bigger, and he also starts trying to take Ivy's once he's done with his. So it's pretty funny. I can't believe it's 6:20 and they're still asleep. I'm actually filming a recipe later today. I'm going to do Toblerone cheesecake recipe, which I haven't done before, but I'm really excited to make because we've got a little event happening on the weekend, so we thought might as well film it as well. Because I have this extra time, I'm going to sneak in my makeup right now because I know I'm not going to get another chance later. I don't usually wear a lot of makeup. I am normally like really natural with it, or go like really light, but if I'm filming, I have to go like a little bit more. I'll put on like a little bit more than normal today. Time to get dressed for the day. Thought I heard a baby. Looks like Remy is stirring. Oh, chicken. Little Ivy is waking up as well. So I'm going to quickly reset their playpen. I like to do that in the morning so that it's like a little bit different every day. And the mornings is like usually the only time that they will accept being in the playpen. The rest of the day they're just like, I am not going in the playpen. I do really like making it nice in the mornings for them, and so they can have a little bit of fun, have a little explore. I cannot believe how many toys they have, and they literally always just want to escape. I don't think this playpen has a lot of life left in it anymore, but it has had a lot of wear and tear, I can tell you that. The babies are going through a stage at the moment where they just like fight over everything. It's like, whatever you've got, I want. And it's like, even if we have two of the same, they don't really care. They're just like, I want that one. I normally do this as I'm running out the door, but because I've got time this morning, I'm just gonna pack their daycare stuff. So I've got a little esky here, and I still got the other ones to get out of the fridge as well, but that is all done. I'll take you through their daycare bags because I pack these at night. I do this the night before, it's just easier. So in each bag, they've got like their little comforter. So they sleep with one of these. They have two of these each, and one of them's normally in the wash, getting cleaned or whatever. They have a little sleep sack, they have cot sheets, and then they have a couple of spare clothes each. So Remy has a dummy, but Ivy does not. Ivy's pretty much got the same. Here's her little mini. That's what we call it. Hers is mini and his is Mac. Do you think I should put in warm suits for them as well? Because it's a bit overcast and rainy today. They've only got...
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. It's pretty funny because every time we drop off Ivy, we're like, I wonder what suit she'll come home in. Every time she has come home in a different outfit to the one that we dropped her off in. I don't know what she does. I hear babies. They are so cute in the morning. They're like really happy. They're excited for the day. Okay, milks are ready to go. I normally have like sit here with one baby, which I'll show you, and then I put the other one in here, the little bouncer, and they're probably gonna be pretty hungry. Let's go get them. Let's go wake them up. So it's 7:05. This like never ever has happened before. They normally are definitely always awake by now. Good morning. Hi, Baba. Hello, cuties. What are you up to? Hello, do you want to get out? Do you want to get out of your sleep suit? Hey, good morning. Hi, Baba. Great sleep, Baba. Yeah, I gotta get Remy out of his sleep suit as well. You're already out of yours. Put your foot down. What are you doing? Put your foot down. Yes, I'm coming. I'm coming. Come on. Ready? Oh. There we go. Good morning. Hello. You waving to Dada? Chicken, you can go here, Papa. Good girl. Here you go, Papa. Dude, what? What is it? Come here. Don't you want your milk? Buddy, what's going on? What's the matter? It all went bad so quick. Hey? What are those tears for? Nappy number 2 of the day. They add up real quick, I can tell you that. We go through a lot of nappies around here, don't we, Bubba? Wow, what's in here, Bubba? Hey.
Did you put your finger in there? Hey, dude. Ah! Did someone poo?
Someone poo-poo? I'm also wondering if we have breakfast before we drop them off at daycare. Air fryer. Love this thing. You all good over there? Yeah? What you doing? Got a pooey bum. Hey, come on. They're going through that stage where like they don't want their nappy changed ever, so I have to distract them with. What can Mummy give you that's going to cut the mustard? Mama. Yeah, Mama. Thank you, Mum. Clean bum. Thank you, Mum. You got it tangled. How did you do this? There we go.
Dude.
Breakfast? Yum! I love the smell of toast in the morning. There's a little baby behind you. What do you like on a toast? You want peanut butter?
Vegemite.
Mama, Dada!
Yeah. You want poo?
Yeah! It's breakfast time! Time to eat. Yes, there's cars outside. Are you ready for some breakfast? Guys, you gotta eat. Then you gotta go daycare. It's breakfast time, you cheeky little thing. Thank you. Strap you guys in. Lock them in. How about we put your tray on? Secure you in even more. Mama. Yes, darling. Are we thinking that they're gonna eat it or not? Because lately, they've just been throwing it on the floor. Eat your yummy, yummy, yummy. Mama. Yes, darling. Mama. Yeah? Mama. Yeah, it's fruit. If you eat your bowl, you can have some breakfast smoothie. Yum. Thank you, darling. Did you want to have the rest of it? I'm spitting it out. Okay. Thanks, Baba. Thank you, Baba. Some smoothie time. Hey, Ivy, what happened to your bib? Yeah, you got to spin it around this way. Is that yummy? Is that delicious? Is it all gone? Did you drink it all? God, they love the smoothies. Oh, that is not funny. That's not funny. Dropping it on the floor, you cheeky boy. I need to clean your face. Needs to be clean. All right, I'll take this off. Mate, it wasn't that bad. Did you figure out what day it is? It's daycare day. Time to go, guys. We've got to go. Daycare, daycare, daycare. Are you excited? Always, forever cleaning. Come on, guys, we're going. Can't forget these. Let's go. Guys, time to go. Come on. Come on. We're coming. Ready? Let's go, baby. I'm going to start loading her. Yeah. It's raining. In we go, chicken. Ready? It's so heavy. You're a big boy. Hope I didn't forget anything in their little bags. Guess we'll find out. Sometimes as well, the babies like go up and take stuff out of their bags in the morning. So I'm always like, did you put it back in? They're really excited. Okay, we're going to go take the babies in. We're going to leave the cameras here because there's other kids around and we'll be back soon. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye for now. See you next time. Back home for some breakfast. Get going with the day. Home sweet home. Even though I've been up since 5:30 a.m., now it's time to do stuff for me. I'm going to start making breakfast in a second, but first I'm going to have my supplement. Oh, I love that passion fruit mango flavor. Okay, so this is a supplement from the Collagen Co. Basically, it looks after your hair, skin, nails, joint health, and gut health, which is absolutely amazing. It's full of vitamins and minerals, including biotin B7 and vitamin C. And it's pretty much just about hydrating from the inside out, making you feel good, because you know that if you feel good, then it definitely emanates out. I know that particularly after I had the twins, this was like a really important focus for me, especially because I needed to, I guess, help myself a little more than usual, get back to where I should be. And I did notice that after I had the twins as well, my hair became a little bit patchy, particularly like in the front. It's growing back now. Like you can see some of the regrowth here. But yeah, it was quite patchy after their birth, and it was like that for at least like 6 months. Just trying to help out my skin as much as possible because, you know, you don't get as much sleep when you're a mom. All of my joints were hurting as well, just like lifting up the babies and all that kind of thing. So this has been really important to me and something that I really wanted to start including as part of my daily routine. So these little sachets are awesome because they come with the exact amount that you need, and you can have it with cold drinks, hot drinks, however you like. It's really delicious just by itself with some water. It's really quite refreshing. It's an Australian brand. It's had thousands of 5-star reviews. So if you do want to try this, I have a code you can use for free express shipping. So make sure you check it out. I will leave it in the description box as well with some details. But yeah, highly recommend Collagen from the Collagen Co. Breakfast is served. Get it while it's hot. Scrambled eggs on toast with Vegemite and feta. I am just setting up now for my next video after this one, which is the Toblerone cheesecake. So if you're interested in that, check out that video. Otherwise, we'll leave it there. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for being on our morning routine with us on a daycare day with our twins. If you did like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell as well because I have new videos coming out all the time. Thanks again, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.